I'm Li Hua from Cilantro Culinary Academy. Today I'm going to share with you how to make white Russian. To make white Russian, we need this ingredient: vodka, Kahlua, which is a coffee liquor. You can also substitute with Tia Maria. So over here is the portion of 15 ml of fresh milk and 15 ml of cream. Then we have cocoa powder to sprinkle on top. And then we have the garnishing, which is the strawberry and a piece of chocolate. You just need 30 ml of vodka and 30 ml of coffee liquor. We just add on some ice, like about 4 or 5 cubes of ice, and you just stir until it is cold enough, chill enough. Then we just strain it to a rock glass. We're going to put some ice in. So we just mix a little bit. And then pour on the tea so that we can see that texture, nice texture that it does with the cocoa powder. Put a flake of chocolates on top. Garnish with a strawberry. Tada! Here goes our white Russian. If you like this video, please click like and share. If you like to know more about this program, please contact us through Facebook. I wish to see you again on our next video.